welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this video, I'm going to update you about... Let's do that again. Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this video, I'm going to update you about the potential gains that I have actually received from my Pipercross Performance air filter. Now, I installed that a little while ago, and I did notice a little bit more pigeon. I might not even film that. Oh, shit. Oh no, fuck it, let's go. Let's do it, fuck it. I've wasted all the road. Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I'm going to discuss the performance gains that I have actually noticed since installing my Pipercross Performance air filter. Now, I thought it would be negligible. I thought when I first put that in that I wouldn't notice much of a difference. It might just feel a little bit freer. I've noticed a relatively large difference. Now, my car has a 2.4 litre naturally aspirated engine currently, and it's the only mod that has been done to my engine bay, putting in a Pipercross Performance air filter. And I thought, yeah, maybe 2 or 3 additional horsepower, and it's probably not going to be noticeable. How wrong was I? Very wrong. I'll answer my own question. I've noticed that the car is taking off far quicker, and I mean, it's VTEC. Once you hit VTEC, you're already sailing, but the way that this car seems to pick up its revs quicker since putting that panel filter in, wow. Like, I wasn't expecting such a difference. And yeah, it's not I've got a turbo sort of difference. Of course it isn't. It's 100% not I've got a turbo. We are still talking marginal gains, but the engine does feel like it flows freer. It does feel like there is more power earlier in the rev range. Now, I'm not saying it hits VTEC quicker, but it does feel like the car has more ability to put power down at lower revs. And in a big old car like a CL9, it is noticeable because this car's heavy. Would you notice it as much in a, you know, like Ed's FN2 Civic Type R? Possibly not. But I've noticed it a lot in this car. As soon as you put your foot down, there's a slight change in sound, which is noticeable because, as I've discussed before, my exhaust doesn't make a sound. Essentially, my car sounds normal until VTEC kicks in, and then you get that lovely subtle sound. This Pipercross Performance air filter is definitely worth the money. It didn't cost a lot. It's far cheaper than going for something that, all right, will give you far more gains, like an engine induction kit, which I'd love to have but can't afford. As a you know, a cost-effective upgrade, it's been brilliant. It was easy to install, and I noticed a difference. I mean, I'm going to put my foot down after this bus and lorry, but like, it picks up quicker. It really does. And you get a slight induction sound. Nothing that will blow your mind, but you do get a slight induction sound. So all in all, it does what I wanted it to do, which is a little bit of a performance gain, and there definitely is a bit of a performance gain. Oh, I'm slowing right down for these, they knacker your wheels. Whee! Like that. Yeah, there's a slight bit of a performance gain, more than I thought. There's a slight change in sound coming from the engine bay when you put your foot down. But it definitely has made a difference over the you know, the Honda OEM part that was like a sort of one of those sort of panelish card filters, you know, sort of, you know what I mean. It's in that video, watch it. I'll put a, you know, picture of the thumbnail up now. This Pipercross Performance air filter, for the price and for the benefit that I've noticed, 100% value for money. Really is 100% value for money. And until I've got lots of money, or I've saved up or won the lottery or whatever, and can afford a full-on InGen induction kit, this is going to do nicely. So as I come to a halt at a bridge, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was a nice short one. If you did, then please subscribe. It means a lot to both myself and Ed, who is in most of the videos, just, well, since I went with a Honda at least anyway. He's just not in this one. But yeah, we both appreciate all of you guys that are subscribing to the channel. It means a hell of a lot. And yeah, find us on Facebook, SULKNATIONtv, Instagram, SULKNATIONtv, Narrow Bridges, SULKNATIONtv, being stuck behind vans, SULKNATIONtv, you know, road closed signs, SULKNATIONtv, caravans, SULKNATIONtv. No, that's bullshit. I'm not even leaving. I can't pretend. Caravans can do one, as far as I'm concerned. Do one massively. But back to the case. Yeah, please subscribe. Please check out Facebook and Instagram. Enjoy the videos first and foremost. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that. Let's do a nice little bit of a woo ride in a second, because I've got an opportunity to speed up.